Hello everyone, hope you're well. I'm here today to film another unboxing. Who is getting sick of these? Who loves these? The only reason I am doing so many of these is because A, I'm getting the gist you guys really like them, and B, I'm doing a load of shopping because it is kind of coming on to spring now, which I'm so excited about. Today is actually one of the hottest days in the UK so far, and it's basically just making me want to change up my wardrobe, so that's why there's a lot of shopping going on. But this time round, drum roll please, it's going to be Missguided. And you guys know I have a really good relationship with Missguided. I have got sent all of these things, but I chose them all myself. I am under no obligation to film a video, and they're just lovely. They always have been lovely to me. I ordered quite a lot of stuff, and I don't know what they've actually sent me. I do really like their packaging, and I'm just gonna do what I've been doing in all the other unboxings. I'm just gonna open it. My hair is so, you guys know, I'm just gonna be moaning about my hair throughout the video, but I always do an update, a hair update in these unboxings, you guys have noticed. I'm getting there with my scalp, you guys, just bear with me. I just want to make sure that I've got my routine down, and then I will divulge everything to you guys, so just bear with me. I'm not going to let you guys down. So I don't need a knife in this, which is fabulous. Oh my god, I'm really excited. Another thing that a lot of you guys told me, like feedback wise, which I always take on, I don't mind constructive criticism or feedback, is to show you guys the item on, like, as I'm talking about it. Let me know down below, please, like, just comment down below. Do you guys prefer it the way I'm gonna do it in this unboxing, or did you prefer it the way I was doing it in the others? First thing grabbing me, I'm just gonna put the big bag here. Oh, it looks very exciting. Okay, first thing is, and I'll tell you guys everything below, and I will obviously link everything down below too. These are the grey Loopback wide leg trousers. I got most things here in a size 10, so if you're not sure, I probably got in a 10. These are a 10. And I'm excited. I think these are from the Madison Beer. I think that's how you say her name collection. I could be mistaken, but let's see. Yeah, they are. And they're a pair of joggers. Woo, but they're like wide leg. Oh, I like these already. So they are just cinched in at the waist. They are high-waisted. They have pockets, which I love. I actually would love them with just like the top I'm wearing now, like just a white tee. So that's what they look like, and they just come into a wide leg. This kind of material is a bit hot to wear on a kind of day like this, but I will try it on for you guys, and I think these will look really cool on a night out. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, so I thought these were really cool, and I will leave the link to everything in the down bar. I got a bodysuit, because you can't buy anything from Missguided without getting a bodysuit, and this is just a white body. I couldn't find the opening, so I'm definitely gonna wear this. Oh no, it's not a bodysuit, it's just a top, even better. Sometimes bodysuits can be a bit annoying, so I lied about the bodysuit. It's just a button front top. Again, you can wear this so much with so many different things, with those pinstripe trousers, with those joggers, with anything in your wardrobe. You can leave it like a little bit open as well at the front, or you can just leave it closed. Again, I got this in a size 10, and these are just the things that Missguided are great for. I really cannot believe I'm doing this on like the hottest day. It's so warm in this room. This is the top and the Madison Beer trousers, and I love the trousers. They are, again, a size 10. If you're like me and you love joggers but you love wide leg trousers, this is the best hybrid ever. They even have pockets. They're really cool. And then we come on to the top. This kind of thing on me, because obviously we talk about this in every single one of these videos, I have a bigger chest. These kind of things tend to, if they are smaller on me, they tend to look like they're gonna burst open, and I probably could have done this in a size 12. This is a size 10, because if I don't leave these two open, it just kind of looks like I'm bursting out. I will show you, which is the story of my life. Can you guys see? It's not as attractive, so I will keep this and just wear it with the button, or at least one button open. It's a little bit sexy for me, but it's just the right amount of sexiness. The only thing is, when I do turn, you can kind of see gates a little bit, but I don't know. You guys will have to tell me down below what you think. I like your opinion. I think you guys have gathered that, and I don't mind good or bad. But I love the top. In terms of material, it's such a nice material. So definitely either choose the right size, or if you're smaller chested, I think this would look gorgeous on you. So again, thumbs up. Then I got this, and oh, I know what this is. If you guys remember, this is like a few hauls ago, I bought a what did I buy? I bought like a 2-piece that was like black and white from Zara. And this is really, really similar with that kind of stitching that I said I love. Again, I got this in a size 10, but I think I probably could have done with the 8, but I don't know guys, I don't know if anyone's like me. I always size up online because I just feel like I could probably make it work a bit better. It's just a stitched black shirt with silver buttons. I like the material. It's not really flimsy or anything. It's quite like a good sturdy material. Sturdy, it's quite a good thick material. I don't know how good that is for this weather, but I doubt we're going to be getting this for very long. This is the shirt that I chose. I'm always saying this, but this is a try on, so I'm not actually like styling any of the stuff up, but I wouldn't wear it with these trousers. But it's such a good staple shirt. I love the sleeves. I love that stitching detail, you know, with the white that I told you guys I'm loving at the moment. I really like the buttons. You could totally do more buttons open. Maybe if I got the 8, it might actually have fitted a little bit better. Now I'm saying that, and then I could have had it open a bit better. But I'd rather, like I said before, go bigger than smaller. And I do just generally really like the shirt. And considering so many brands are doing these kind of things, for the price, I think this is really good. It's kind of like a viscose material, but it's... Honestly, these school kids, I have so many schools near me, and they are literally, maybe it's the heat, like they are going crazy, honestly. All they're doing is shouting, so I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I could definitely wear this to work. Okay, can you guys hear that? All very exciting. These are a pair of Sunnies. I'm just going to do whatever I pick out the bag. It's like, I don't know, pick a mix, but for clothes. So these are some Sunnies, and these are from the Madison Beer collection also. So they just say Madison Beer on them, really cool. Ooh, I like these very, very, very much. They also come with the cleaner and also a little pouch that you can take out with you. But I really like the sunglasses case. I don't actually own a lot more of these cases, but I really liked these. I have quite a few pairs of these type of Sunnies, but none that are quite as large as these. They're just a little bit thicker, so I like them. I can't see what I look like because my camera's quite far away. But how do we look? I do like them, looking at them. I'm gonna have to look at myself in the mirror. Again, can't remember how much they were, but I will link them down below. They feel really sturdy. They also have UV protection, which is obviously good. Then I got this. This is a rib long sleeve crop, which sounds like everything I like. Again, I feel like this is like Christmas. Oh yes, this is so something I would wear. Again, this is Madison Beer. I really liked a lot of her stuff. Some of it was a bit too daring for me, but this, for example, with the joggers, I think would look really good. I got this in a size medium, and I think that was a good choice. And it's just a cream, slightly longer neckline ribbed top. I really like the material. I have to say, Missguided, you guys did really well on the material. It's a really nice, soft elastic. I haven't felt anything like this from Missguided. And the label does just say Madison Beer Missguided, so really excited to try that on. This is the other Madison Beer top that I really liked the material of. Again, on me, I don't quite know. I am wearing my most t-shirt bra, so maybe on someone who's, again, got maybe a different body shape to me, but I do really like it. I think some of these tops, because I don't know how much they work for me, I might give them to my sister because I know she loves these kind of crop tops. And she is smaller than me on her top half, so I do think they would look maybe a bit more flattering on her. But I do generally like it. Again, I just think it's a kind of thing of like, would it suit maybe a different body shape better? The material is stunning. If you guys love this kind of thing, it is such a gorgeous material. I really, really like it. It's just a question of whether it would fit someone else a bit better. But I love it. Again, I think I'm gonna give this one to my little sister because I don't know, what do you guys think? Again, I really do always appreciate you guys' opinion, but you can see there it is such a lovely fit. I love the sleeves. I like the fact that it's cut here. I don't know, it's just a really nice like material. Can you guys see? I don't know, but I don't know about on me. Oh, I really liked this, that's why I made sure to pick it up, obviously. And this is a jumper, but I loved the color combo of it. I think this is so cute. This is so the kind of thing that I like run errands in. Like I throw a pair of jeans on and I go food shopping in. And it's just a sweatshirt and it says Calabasas on it. And it's in this gorgeous like sage green color with pink writing, which is basically like a theme in this room. So that's why I think it's really cool. And it's just cropped at the end. And I just love the colors. I just think green is, you guys know I'm really having a love affair with green at the moment. Again, I got this in a size 10. Not a lot to say about it. I love the sleeves of it as well. This is such a good thing to just have in your wardrobe. This is the Calabasas sweat and I love it, you guys. I cannot put into words the material, like how soft it is. It feels gorgeous. Obviously I wouldn't wear it with something like this, like wide leg, because it's so wide. I'd wear something a bit more tapered, but even just for lounging, if you're someone like me, like I said, who runs errands like 24/7, I love the back, I love the back wingness of it, and I just love the calligraphy as well on the Calabasas. And this green color, anyone else think green is just such a gorgeous color, especially this kind of season? I just think it's really, really in. So yeah, I think this is actually one of my favorite things from the haul. I can't put into words how soft it is inside. It just feels really, really nice. I know this is really random, but I just feel like I like telling you guys my little stories. I was seeing this guy for a while, and every time we used to hang out, and he used to come pick me up and stuff, he'd always say to me like, oh, you've got really nice house clothes. And I'd be like, what? And he'd be like, you've got really nice house clothes. And I was like, oh, thanks. As in like, you know, chill out clothes. And I'm like, thank you. This is why I've got a lot of that kind of thing going on. I'm going tomato red now. What are these? Okay, these are V-neck raw edge wide sleeve sweatshirt. So, do you guys like me calling out the names of what I'm gonna show? Oh yes, I liked this. Again, this is so something that I would wear just running errands, and it is exactly what it says on the tin. I got a lot of, I feel like I got a lot of basics in this. My hair's doing the poofy thing that I hate. It's also very, very curly because it's, you guys know how I feel about freshly washed hair. I don't normally have it this curly whirly, but this is what it looks like. It's just a V-neck jumper, raw hem anything at the moment, and I get on really well. And I really like that the sleeves are like quite thick. I saw HRH collection, Alex wearing something really similar to this, and I don't know if it is this exact thing. So if anyone, because I know Alex, Alex was talking about how people always bombard her with questions about where she gets things from, and I was like, maybe I've done my own research, like I'm so cool. I don't know if this is exactly what she was wearing or if she made it or whatever, but I really like that, so I have to thank Alex for the inspo. A lot of sweatshirts in this, but when it comes into spring and I don't have to wear jackets, I love buying this kind of thing because you still kind of, you know, you've still got your sleeves covered, your arms covered with sleeves, but you're not really warm and hot. Again, don't think I'd wear it with these kind of pants, especially on me, but I do really like it. I think this is such a good staple. I think it would look way better with like leather look leggings or something on the bottom, or I don't know if I'd wear this kind of thing with jeans. I think I would spruce it up with like leather look leggings, and I think it will look really cool. But I love the sleeves and just how comfortable it is. I think I got this in a size 10 for reference, and I don't know if they do other colours of it, but you could totally like, you know, accessorize with it, wear loads of jewellery and just amp it up really. That's what Missguided is really good for. It's just like their basic stuff. And I do think I got some really cute pieces in this haul. Then I got these. These I wasn't so sure about. I know what they are because I remember. These are striped chain wide leg trousers, like a black, I think they're black, with a white pinstripe and this chain, which again, I'm not so fond of the chain. I would just take that off. And they are just wide leg, really, really cool. I don't know, what do you guys think of the chain thing? It's not really me, but I'll try them on with the chain nonetheless because that's what they're meant to look like. Again, these are from the Madison Beer collection. Okay guys, so these are the trousers, and I have just tucked my top up because when I had it tucked in, it made me look bigger. They fit perfectly. I'm so glad I got the size 10. The 8 would be so tight, but they are gorgeous. The only thing is, again, I don't really know what I feel about the chain, but the good thing is you've got the choice. You can just literally just take it off. But you guys know I love stuff like this. They even have pockets. which is perfect, and with heels they would just look like that. Obviously I've said this before in other videos, I'm 5'6", and yeah, I love high-waisted trousers, and I love when they fit me like a glove also. And I didn't have a pinstripe version. I feel so not me with this chain. I feel like I have to take it off, but you could reuse this for something, I'm sure, as well. But the chain is so not me, but I knew way better. They look so much better now, but I don't know, what do you guys think? Definitely you can style them up. I don't know whether or not I would do a shirt like this, like I think that looks a bit weird. I think it definitely needs something tucked, but I do really like them. So thank you, Madison Beer.
Did I get another pair of sunglasses? Round chunky frame sunglasses. If these are the same, I might just give them away to you guys in a giveaway, because I don't remember ordering another pair of Sunnies. Yeah, they're the exact same. So if anyone wants these, it's like a little sunglasses giveaway. So thank you, Missguided. So I'm just going to give them away to one of you guys. So if you comment down below saying, I know it's only a small thing, but I'm not going to do anything with another pair. So I'll leave it open internationally. You have to obviously be subscribed to me, so get subscribing. Follow me on Instagram for brownie points, and just comment down below telling me what your favorite videos I film are. I think that's easy enough. So yeah, let me know, and then I will send them off to one of you guys. And I will contact the winner. I'll probably tell you guys who the winner is in my next video or something. So that's video, you guys. I hope you've all enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought of it down below, whether or not you like this layout better or you like the previous one better. And you guys know I love your feedback. And honestly, thank you so much for just being generally so nice, and just, yeah, you guys, I feel like get me, and I just, that's what matters to me. At the end of the day, I'm here because yeah, I have a connection with you guys, and I really love you all. So I will see you all in my next video. I promise there will be a makeup video and a bra hacks video coming. It's just I have a busy week this week, and like I said, I have a friend coming around, and I don't have time to like bra hack to sort it, you know, you guys know what I mean. So I love you guys lots. Take care of yourselves and enjoy the giveaway. Bye.